Hello, everyone. In the last lesson, we learned about setting up MCD basic physics. Next, we will learn how to configure signals for connection with the PLC. Signal configuration can be divided into two types. One is the input control signal, and the other is the output feedback signal. First, we'll configure the input signal for control. Let's rename it. The conveyor will be controlled by external signals. For conveyor 1, open the signal settings and click Add. Label it as TS. When the signal is activated, set the speed to 200, otherwise, it will be 0. Using the same method, set up the second conveyor. Remember, we need to control both conveyors with a single signal to ensure proper material flow. Effectively, they should be treated as one continuous conveyor. Set up the blocking cylinder. First, configure the blocking cylinder 1. Input a signal to control blocking cylinder 1. Copy and paste the setup. When the signal is received, the blocking cylinder will move 30 units, otherwise, it will remain stationary. Note that this parameter refers to position. Using the same method, set up blocking cylinder 2 and the pushing cylinder. And press copy and paste. When blocking cylinder 2 receives a signal, it will move 30 units, otherwise, it will remain at 0. For the pushing cylinder, add a signal and copy it, setting its movement to 50 millimeters. The input control signals are now configured. Next, we'll set up the feedback signals. Use the signal adapter. The output signals for the 3 sensors can be added simultaneously and configure the output signals. Note that these are output signals. The sensor setup is relatively simple. We can directly set them to be equal. However, ensure they correspond correctly. 1 to 1, 2 to 2, and 3 to 3. After setting the output signals, click OK and save. The basic MCD module setup is now complete. Next, we will proceed with PLC programming. Open the TIA portal software and create a new project. Modifying the name as needed, and then click Create. Open the project view. The first step is to configure the system. Make sure to select PLC SIM Advanced for signal connections, so when adding devices, choose a PLC model from the S7-1500 series or higher. You can keep the version and model as default and just click OK.